What's up, YouTube? Just a quick update on the truck. I did get the motor pulled as well as the harness. Just been wire brushing and sanding and painting, and that's dry. That looks pretty good. Glad I pulled the harness. The harness looks rough, got a lot of bare spots, wires together. There's the old 350. There's the new 6-liter. There's my harness. Let me show you what I was talking about. So, bare melted there, there. There's a couple other spots in here too. Yeah, I don't know what the fuck that is. But plugging along, just wanted to document my progress. Haven't had any help. This is all a one-man operation. Starting to get a little progress. Appreciate you guys watching. Have a good one.